Home Remedies presents How does turmeric benefits eye health? As winter approaches and the temperature falls, why not bring the craziness down a notch this year with a steaming mug of tea, especially with a tea that has nutritional properties to help your body and eyes meet their many demands. The active nutrient in turmeric is a brightly colored orange-yellow carotenoid pigment known as curcumin. Curcumin is further classified as a xanthophyll. The eye supernutrients zeaxanthin and lutein are also xanthophylls. While only zeaxanthin and lutein are concentrated in the light-sensitive retina, curcumin acts to support eye health with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation plays an important role in many eye conditions such as uveitis, glaucoma, dry eyes, macular degeneration, cataracts, etc. The cornea is the clear window on the front part of the eye. Inflammation can cause blood vessels to grow and cover the surface of the eye. Curcumin blocks various such growth factors. It can help wound healing on the cornea as well. Dry eye disease is caused due to low tear production and increased evaporation, both induced by ocular surface inflammation. That's why we try to address both tear production and prevent evaporation. But if we treat the inflammation, we can stop dry eye at its source. With turmeric intake, dry eye is 60 to 75% better in just 3 to 4 months. Uveitis is again an inflammation inside the eye of the uvea. It can permanently damage vision. Patients treated with curcumin had less recurrence and no side effects. Cataract is a clouding or opacification of the lens inside the eye. The primary mechanism for the anti-cataract effect of curcumin is through its antioxidant properties. Vitamin C may have a preventative role in cataract progression. Curcumin helps increase vitamin C levels as well. Glaucoma is irreversible, chronic, progressive vision loss due to optic nerve damage from eye pressure that's too high for you. The thought is the nerves are getting damaged at the exit from eye and we need neuroprotection to help prevent progression. This means we need to help the nerve cells suffer stress and not suffer damage. Curcumin has been shown to have neuroprotective properties by inhibiting oxidative damage as well as helping prevent mitochondrial dysfunction. Effective dosage. The recommended dose of turmeric extract is 500 mg 2 into 4 times per day, depending on your condition. Tea time. This recipe is for 4 servings. Ingredients: water 3 cups, milk 1 cup, whole coconut or almond, freshly ground black pepper 6 to 5, fresh turmeric root 1½ piece or turmeric powder 2 teaspoons, fresh ginger root half piece or ginger powder half teaspoon. Directions: put the water, milk and pepper in a pan and grate the ginger and turmeric to it. Bring to simmer on medium heat, then steep at very low heat for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and cover and let it steep for another 5 minutes. Strain into mugs, retaining all its goodness. Enjoy the tea. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.